Hi guys, this is the first test of the motor, and I'm only using 5 volts. I'm gonna only use 5 volts for this test, and not a computer. Actually, I'm just gonna wire directly. Let's see what happens. That's good. That's good. Let's put it back. All right, I have to do a little bit of modification to make sure that it doesn't wobble here. So I just have to work on this part. I think I might make a part that goes inside of this one, so actually it doesn't allow to go that way, but then it does leave there for the second motor to make the other twist. It looks good. What do you guys think? All right guys, I hope you enjoy this short video, and I'll see you next time. If any questions or you need me to design a custom part, just let me know and I will make a video for you guys. Thank you.